Nestled in the Kalamoon Mountains, the Syrian town of Rankus used to be known for its fruit and vegetable farms, livestock, and delicious honey. That's until nearly 12 and a half years of war ravaged the country, prompting a dire humanitarian crisis and economic collapse. Parched lands have now joined the list of Syria's woes. It's one thing to lose your country to war, but losing your fields to climate change is a whole different kind of challenge, says the Syrian beekeeper.
I had 110 beehives before the crisis in 2010. Now I only have 40. Due to the difficult circumstances we face, such as war and climate change, in addition to economic inflation, I'm afraid to have to abandon my profession after more than 40 years of work.
It's a concern shared by many other Syrian beekeepers too. The price of a kilo of honey is about $10, a terribly expensive affair for most Syrians these days, consumers and producers alike.
The climate is changing, which is not favorable for beekeepers. This year was cold, and snow and hailstones fell during flowering season, whose nectar the bees feed on.
Ordinarily, the weather in this part of the Damascus countryside is conducive for farming. But unusual weather conditions are slowly destroying a once thriving agriculture sector. Semi-arid fields have taken the place of lush apple orchards that were once here.
On top of the bad economic conditions and the high cost of living, the climate also fights us. This year, all crops were damaged by sleet. I lost most of my trees. I have only 400 trees left. I'm afraid to lose them as well. Because of this desertification, we will also lose bees.
He says that when trees and flowers disappear, bees can no longer feed or pollinate and migrate elsewhere to survive. Farmers here can barely afford to tend to their beehives and farms. The Red Cross helps keep them afloat with small donations.
Syria is one of the countries most affected by climate change, desertification, lack of rain and water scarcity. All of this has affected agricultural production, which decreased by 50% during the past 10 years due to the conflict, and climate change has exacerbated the problem. The International Committee of the Red Cross is working to help farmers by providing them with beehives.
Struggles like these are becoming a stinging reality for most Syrians. And with the added challenge of climate change, the situation only seems to be getting worse. Rahul Radhakrishnan, TRT World.